All right, what's up, guys? Let's do another morning routine, except this time Ellie's going to be with me, and I have to get up earlier for my classes this semester. If you like the video while you're watching, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I decided to skip out on doing like the fake waking up, mainly because Ellie is still asleep. I'm just starting by making my coffee like normal. I also didn't want to bore you by leaving in like a 15-minute clip of me just watching some videos and drinking my coffee. After I get done with my a bit of my coffee, I drink it all morning. I'm going to go wash my face. I use the Clean and Clear Morning Burst Hydrating Cleanser, and today I believe I used the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. Super simple. Yeah, I take my showers at night, so really in the morning I just need to wash my face and brush my teeth, which I believe is what I'm about to do. Hopefully. Please don't tell me I forgot to brush my teeth. I'm not going to like super bore you by going through every like little step I'm doing in my makeup. I'm just priming right now. I do hydrating, color correcting, and then a pore filler. My skin is ridiculously broken out. And yeah, so I just needed a few extra little things to make myself feel a little bit better. Most days for school, I just do a simple makeup look. If I wear any eyeshadow, I just wear one and sweep it over my entire lid and up into the crease and mascara. That's pretty much it. And a nude lip. That's my go to for class. And right now, James is just telling me bye. He's headed off to work, and I'm just reminding him of a few things. And I'm pretty much done with my makeup. Now we're going to go figure out my hair and wake up my kid. Before I go into our bedroom and wake Ellie up out of her crib, I'm going to go ahead and warm up her milk. She's on whole milk, but she won't drink it cold, so I just warm it up for a minute in the microwave. And now we're in here. Look how cute she is. Look how wild she sleeps up in this crib, y'all. But she's adorable. Look how cute she is. Oh my goodness. I'm just going to quickly change her diaper. While I'm in class today, my dad is going to watch her. So I'm just going to pack her outfit and just leave her in her jams for right now because it is like dumb cold where I live right now, like 20 degrees every day. So I'm just going to change her diaper really quick and then we're going to get her some breakfast going. I'm just putting in her high chair and bringing her into my room and breaking up a banana for her to eat really fast and drink her milk, which she did not want this morning. While she's doing that, I'm picking out her outfit to pack to go to my dad's house, and then I'm going to lay my outfit out. Like I said, it's stupid cold, so I'm trying to find like a hoodie and some thick socks and pants for her. And for my outfit, I'm just wearing some torrid skinny jeans, a gray v-neck, and this really cute leopard print cardigan my mom got me that's white and gray. To do my hair in the mornings, because I've cut it all off and I have to actually like style it, I'm just straightening out pieces that have gotten bent up crazy or anything while I was asleep. And then I pick up at the crown of my head and tease just a little bit. If I'm going to work, I'll braid back my fringe, but for the most part, I just bump up my hair and put some volume back into it. Y'all, this cardigan is literally so soft and it's like furry almost. But because it is so soft and like slinky, Ellie is literally just sliding down my entire body. Look at that poor baby. Oh, it's pitiful. Um, right now I'm trying to find my other shoe, and then we're just going to put her outfit and her shoes and stuff for the day in her diaper bag. I'm going ahead and packing her sippy cup, and then I think that's pretty much it. Yeah. Oh, no. I'm terrible. I'm going to put on her little Columbia jacket and this little sock monkey hat. And then we're going to head out for the day. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to me. We do a giveaway every 100 subscribers. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.